Hey guys, I'm Kerry. In this video, you'll be testing your knowledge of subject-verb agreement with the focus being on intervening phrases and clauses. This test has 10 items. Good luck!
Time to get serious. Time to get serious!
Let's practice. Identify the subject in each of the following sentences. Then, choose the verb in parentheses that agrees in number with the subject. Number 1. A heaping basket of fruits sitting on the counter. Time's up. The answer is a heaping basket of fruits was sitting on the counter. Basket is the subject and was is the verb. Number 2. The cost of 2 dresses more than I had expected. The answer is the cost of 2 new dresses was more than I had expected. Cost is the subject and was is the verb. Number 3. The community college course on collecting stamps always many people. The answer is the community college course on collecting stamps always attracts many people. College is the subject and therefore attracts is the verb. Number 4. The members of the Simpsons family for a reunion every year. The answer is the members of the Simpsons family meet for a reunion every year. Members is the subject, the plural subject, and therefore it takes meet. Number 5. The carpeting you saw in the upstairs and downstairs rooms going to be professionally cleaned. The answer is the carpeting you saw in the upstairs and downstairs rooms is going to be professionally cleaned. Carpeting is a singular subject, and for that reason it takes a singular verb, is. Number 6. One friend of my brother's that I look a little like Whitney Houston. The answer is one friend of my brother's says that I look a little like Whitney Houston. Friend is a singular subject, and for that reason it takes the singular verb says. Number 7. The package sent by my cousins damaged. The answer is the package sent by my cousins was damaged. Package is a singular subject, and for that reason it takes the singular verb was. Number 8. Not all the singers who tried out for the school choir equally well. The answer is not all the singers who tried out for the school choir sing equally well. Singers is a plural subject, and for that reason it takes the plural verb sing. Number 9. Brian, not Ann and Laila, borrowed the microscope. The answer is Brian, not Ann, and Laila has borrowed the microscope. Brian is a singular subject, and for that reason it takes the singular verb has. Number 10, the final one. The only mammal that has wings, the bat. The answer is the only mammal that has wings is the bat. Finally, we're at the end of the quiz. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you got all 10 items correct. If you did, that's fabulous. Check out my other cool videos. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay grammarous. Bye, bye, bye.